The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Logan County and eastern Scott County in western Arkansas, and western Yell County in central Arkansas, until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:11 p.m. Central Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 3 miles east of Cardiff to 6 miles south of Cardiff to 13 miles south of Waldron, and moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Danville, Stonehouse Rec Area, Plainview, Birch Valley, Wing, Waldreac, Union Hill, Rover, Ranger, Parks, Oleo, Nilla, Havana, Harvey, Grevelly, Corinth, Chicala, and Briggsville. Precautionary preparedness actions. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Central Standard Time Wednesday morning for Arkansas. Repeating, the National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Logan County and eastern Scott County in western Arkansas, and western Yell County in central Arkansas, until 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. The National Weather Service has cleared a portion of tornado